Hi, Mr. Sapone here, and today we're going to look at a challenging metric conversion problem. There's a few parts to it, so let's see how we do this. The ceiling in Mr. Sapone's living room is 2.4 meters high. I have installed a new hanging lamp, and it hangs down from the ceiling 61 centimeters. I am approximately 0.175 decameters tall. Will I hit my head on the hanging lamp? Draw a sketch and show your work. With a problem like this, it is very helpful to draw a sketch because there's a lot going on in the problem, and without drawing a picture, sometimes it's hard to figure out what to do. So let's look at a sketch of this situation. The ceiling in Mr. Sapone's room is 2.4 meters high. So this ceiling right here, from the floor all the way up to the ceiling, is 2.4 meters. I have installed a new hanging lamp. It hangs down 61 centimeters. So this really fancy, expensive chandelier hangs 61 centimeters from the ceiling. I am 1.75 decameters. And the question is, will I hit my head? So what we got to do is we got to convert all three of these to the same unit, and we got to figure out if the height of Mr. Sapone and the height of the lamp is equal to or greater than the height of the ceiling. So if my height and the height of the length of the lamp that's hanging are greater than the total length of the room, I should bump my head. This is not drawn to scale. So what we want to do is we want to convert all three of these to the same unit and then compare the results. And we are going to do that using the metric ladder system, going up or down steps on the metric system. So again, I'm going to take my three values. The ceiling is 2.4 meters high. I'm going to convert everything into centimeters. The hanging lamp is in centimeters, and I find this conversion easier. You can convert it to any unit of your preference, but let's say I have 2.4 meters and I want to go into centimeters. The meter is a base unit, so I'm going from here to here, and I have to go down 2 steps to the right. So this number 2.4, the decimal has to move 2 places to the right. 1, 2, and I gotta put in the 0. So 2.4 meters is 240 centimeters, and we'll put that in. 240 centimeters. So the ceiling is 240 centimeters high. What about Mr. Sapone? Mr. Sapone is 1.75 or 0.175 decameters. That's here. And I want to go to centimeters. So I need to go down 1, 2, 3 steps to the right. And that means the decimal is going to move 3 places to the right. So this decimal right here is going to go over 1, 2, 3 places to right there. So 0.175 decameters is 175 centimeters. And of course the hanging lamp is 61 centimeters. So we know all three values, and now all we have to do is compare them. So these values are drawn in. Mr. Sapone is 175. The hanging lamp hangs down 61. And the total height of the ceiling is 240, so we just got to see if Mr. Sapone and the hanging lamp equal 240 or not. And if you add them together, 61 and 175 is 236. So what that means is there should be 4 centimeters to spare. I will not bang my head and miss class tomorrow with a concussion, unfortunately for you. So there's 4 centimeters left over after we convert all the units. The combined height of Mr. Sapone and the lamp is 236. Shorter than the room, there is some clearance. Hopefully that helps you solve problems like these. Mr. Sapone, I'm out.